Unexpected good fortune. Understanding, fall into one's lap. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, fall into one's lap. This phrase is a colorful way to describe unexpected good luck or receiving something great without much effort on your part. Let's explore what this means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, fall into one's lap, is used to describe a situation where someone receives something very beneficial or desirable without having worked hard for it. It could be an opportunity, a windfall, a job offer, or even love. The imagery is of something dropping directly into your lap, almost out of nowhere. This metaphor emphasizes the ease and unexpectedness of the gain. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it draws from the literal action of something falling and landing in one's lap. Historically, laps have been seen as places of comfort and receiving. Think of catching a falling leaf or someone tossing you a gift. Over time, this literal action has evolved into a metaphor for receiving unexpected blessings. To help you understand how to use fall into one's lap in conversation, here are a few examples. The job offer just fell into my lap when I wasn't even looking for a new position. I wasn't planning to buy any furniture, but this amazing couch just fell into my lap at a garage sale. He didn't search for fame, it just fell into his lap after his video went viral. Using this phrase in your conversations can add a layer of richness and imagery that makes your speech more engaging and relatable. It's important to know when not to use this phrase. Avoid using fall into one's lap in situations that require hard work and dedication to achieve success. It's not appropriate for circumstances where the outcome is the result of significant effort, as it undermines the hard work put into achieving that result. We hope this exploration of fall into one's lap has been enlightening and will help you enrich your conversations in English. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about painting pictures with words and sharing experiences. Until next time, keep practicing, and may good fortune fall into your lap. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons like this.